Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Amazon dog crates that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Midwest Homes for Pets newly enhanced double-door iCrate dog crate. The crate was easy to assemble, and the added security features such as the slide bolt door latches with patented paw block and locking tips made us feel confident that our dog would be safe and secure inside. The divider panel has also been very useful as our puppy grows, and it allows us to adjust the size of the living area to suit his needs. The plastic leak-proof pan has also been a lifesaver in the event of an accident, and it's very easy to clean. One thing to note is that the crate may not be suitable for larger dogs, as the term intermediate breed is subjective. It's important to check the measurements of the crate and select a size that will be suitable for your dog's adult weight and measurements. We also found that the plastic carrying handle is not very reliable for transporting the crate as it doesn't lock in place. Overall, we would definitely recommend the Midwest Homes for Pets newly enhanced double-door iCrate dog crate to anyone looking for a reliable and sturdy dog crate for their furry friend. Moving on at number 4, we have the Amazon Basics, durable, foldable metal wire dog crate with tray. The 2 doors and divider make it easy to adjust the internal space to fit our puppy's needs, and the metal wire construction provides peace of mind that she is secure and comfortable. The removable plastic base tray has also been a lifesaver when it comes to cleaning up any accidents or spills. While the crate did take some time to assemble, we found that following the instructions carefully made the process much smoother. We also made sure to lock the metal hook at the bottom to prevent the plastic tray from moving out. Overall, we highly recommend the Amazon Basics durable, foldable metal wire dog crate with tray for any dog owner in need of a reliable and convenient crate. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics, Folding Soft Crate. The Amazon Basics Folding Soft Crate is easy to set up and provides a comfortable and safe space for pets during travel. The lightweight yet sturdy frame is perfect for pet owners who frequently travel with their pets and need a crate that is easy to transport. The crate features 2 doors, top and front, making it easy to load and unload pets. The secure zipper closures and fastening straps keep unzipped rolled-up doors in place and out of the way. The mesh windows and front door provide ventilation on all 4 sides, ensuring pets are comfortable during travel. One thing to keep in mind is that this crate is suitable for crate-trained dogs only. It is not chew-resistant and may not be suitable for pets who are escape artists. In summary, the Amazon Basics Folding Soft Crate for cat, dog, rabbit, 36-inch. Tan is an excellent choice for pet owners who frequently travel with their furry friends. It is easy to set up, lightweight, and provides a comfortable and safe space for pets during travel. At number 2, we have the Midwest Homes for Pets Single-Door Blue Folding Metal Dog Crate. The Midwest Homes for Pets Single-Door Blue Folding Metal Dog Crate for our small dog, and we were impressed with the added security features. The slide bolt door latch now features patented paw block and locking tips, which made us feel more confident that our dog was safe and secure inside the crate. Setting up the crate was a breeze, and we appreciated that it was easy to assemble and portable. We were able to set it up in seconds with no tools required, and it conveniently folded flat for travel. The durable and strong quality construction also created a secure place for our dog to fulfill their instinct to den. However, after a few days of use, we noticed that the paint began to flake and chip off. We also found that the crate may be too small for larger dog breeds, and the plastic carrying handle may not be sturdy enough for heavier dogs. Overall, we would recommend the Midwest Homes for Pets Single-Door Blue Folding Metal Dog Crate for small dog breeds with an adult weight of 12 to 25 pounds. And finally at number 1, we have the New World Double-Door Dog Crate. The New World Folding Metal Dog Crate by Midwest Homes for Pets includes all of the features you will need to provide a convenient, safe and secure pet home for your best friend, from puppy to adulthood. This crate includes a plastic leak-proof pan that allows easy cleanup in the event of an accident. We recently enhanced the safety and security of the New World crate by adding locking tips on the slide bolt latches to securely lock the door, the patented paw block, which prohibits your dog from tampering with the door lock from the inside. New World crates also feature patented rounded side clips that reduce possible sharp points to ensure a safe experience for you and your pet. Every New World metal dog crate conveniently folds down flat for travel. The 30 inches New World, model B30DD, measures 30L x 19W x 21H inches and is suitable for medium dog breeds.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon